The traditional bag, this is the traditional bag weighing time of the trip. 13.7.
The latest it's ever been.
17.7.
I said 18.
Plus one when I got my camera hanging on.
Yeah.
We're out at Buckeye Mountain Trail in the Ouachita National Forest, Sips and I, for our first backpacking trip since Colorado last summer. We're going to go over Buckeye Mountain on the Buckeye Trail, down to Caney Creek, back out to the road in the morning. The registration process has been abandoned for many years. Gina's looking at Buckeye Mountain's famous novaculite outcrop. Well, they call this Buckeye Mountain, but I've never seen any Buckeyes here.
What is a Buckeye?
I don't know.
Are you laughing at me? You don't know what a Buckeye is either? Then how do you know you haven't seen one?
It's a seed pod that grows on the Buckeye tree or Buckeye bush. I guess they look like a deer's eye.
I like it. Be careful. Nature's elevator's not as smooth.
Not as smooth.
As man's elevator.
Starting to wonder about this big plume of smoke on the horizon. And where it's coming from and what's going on. Damn, this takes forever to eat. First, you have to steep it for 30 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes. Then you stir in the dressing packet and steep it for another 30 minutes. What?
What's that?
It takes 45 minutes?
What's that?
Shit, I didn't even realize that.
Well, that's cool.
That's crazy.
I mean, I'm not in any hurry. I got crackers and shit. Come on, man. Light those leaves. The whole mess of leaves going. My pad keeps losing all of its air.
We're off on day 2 here in the Caney Creek Wilderness. We're heading out to the East Caney Creek trailhead. It's about 4 miles. Then we'll do the little road walk and get in the truck and go home. We had a good night. It got a little chilly. Gina's sleeping pad has a hole in it, so she had to get up and air it up a couple of times in the middle of the night, which never even woke me up for some reason.
Stuck.
We made it to the East Caney Creek trailhead. Now we have to hike up that road about a mile to get our truck. First camera walk back of the day. Sips, how'd you feel about the creek crossing?
I don't like them.
Don't you know about filmmaking?
More than I want to know.
This is probably my last walk back for the camera. I don't have the strength to dance. How's this road walk treating you? What does that mean? Oh.
You don't know what that means?